We live in a world obsessed with productivity, always on, always striving. It's no wonder that sleep, that precious pillar of well-being, often gets left behind. But lately, I've noticed a shift. Social media, particularly TikTok, is buzzing with sleep tips and tricks. From sleep-inducing ambient sounds to calming bedtime yoga routines, people are finally prioritizing rest. One trend that caught my eye, the Sleepy Girl Mocktail. This concoction, promising a blissful night's sleep, has taken the internet by storm. As an advocate for sleep's transformative power, I was intrigued. Could this be the simple, natural solution so many are seeking? I decided to investigate. The Sleepy Girl Mocktail is more than just a trendy drink. It represents a yearning for better sleep and a willingness to embrace new solutions. In a world desperately seeking rest, this viral elixir is a sign that we're finally waking up to the importance of sleep. What exactly is the Sleepy Girl Mocktail? This seemingly magical potion is surprisingly simple. It comprises 3 main ingredients: tart cherry juice, magnesium powder, and prebiotic soda. The combination might seem unusual, but each component plays a crucial role in promoting relaxation and sleep. Tart cherry juice, with its natural melatonin content, helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Magnesium, a vital mineral, works to relax muscles and quiet the mind. And prebiotic soda, a source of gut-friendly bacteria, aids digestion, which indirectly promotes better sleep. The Sleepy Girl Mocktail isn't just about throwing together a few trendy ingredients. It's about harnessing the power of nature to create a soothing bedtime ritual. By combining science-backed ingredients with a touch of self-care, this drink offers a holistic approach to improving sleep. Let's delve deeper into the world of tart cherry juice, the star ingredient of this sleep-inducing concoction. Unlike their sweet counterparts, tart cherries are bursting with melatonin. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, plays a pivotal role in regulating our circadian rhythm. Studies have shown that consuming tart cherry juice can increase melatonin levels in the body, leading to improvements in sleep quality and duration. Imagine a natural sleep aid, readily available and deliciously tart. That's the power of tart cherries. But it's not just about the melatonin. Tart cherries are also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation factors that can interfere with restful sleep. So, by sipping on this crimson elixir, you're not only promoting sleep but also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Next up in our ingredient exploration is magnesium, a mineral often overlooked but profoundly impactful when it comes to sleep. Magnesium, you see, is like a gentle massage for your nervous system. It helps calm those racing thoughts that keep us awake at night. But its benefits don't stop there. Magnesium also works wonders in relaxing muscles, easing tension, and preventing those pesky nighttime leg cramps that can disrupt sleep. Imagine sinking into bed with a sense of calm, your body and mind at ease. That's the magic of magnesium. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are deficient in this essential mineral. Stress, processed foods, and even certain medications can deplete our magnesium levels. By incorporating magnesium-rich foods or supplements into our diet, we can replenish this vital nutrient and unlock its sleep-enhancing properties. Section 5. Prebiotic soda, gut feeling about sleep. The final piece of the Sleepy Girl Mocktail puzzle might seem the most surprising: prebiotic soda. What does our gut have to do with sleep? A lot, as it turns out. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This intricate ecosystem plays a crucial role in our overall health, including our sleep. Prebiotics, found in foods like prebiotic soda, act as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A thriving gut microbiome contributes to better digestion, reduced inflammation, and even the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influence sleep. So, while it might seem counterintuitive to include soda in a sleep-promoting drink, prebiotic soda is a far cry from its sugary counterparts. It's a gut-healthy choice that indirectly supports restful sleep. Section 6. Concocting the potion, your step-by-step guide. Ready to experience the Sleepy Girl Mocktail for yourself? Here's your step-by-step guide to creating this sleep-enhancing elixir. Don't worry, it's as simple as can be. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 ounces of tart cherry juice, 1 teaspoon of magnesium powder, and 4 ounces of prebiotic soda. Step 2. Mix and indulge. Combine the tart cherry juice and magnesium powder in a glass. Stir well until the magnesium powder is completely dissolved. Top with prebiotic soda, give it a final stir, and voila! Tips and tricks. For a colder drink, add a few ice cubes. Experiment with different brands of prebiotic soda to find your favorite. If you're sensitive to tart flavors, add a touch of honey or maple syrup. Section 7. My night with the Sleepy Girl Mocktail. Intrigued by the potential benefits, I decided to try the Sleepy Girl mocktail myself. I followed the recipe, savoring the tartness of the cherry juice and the subtle fizz of the prebiotic soda. The magnesium powder blended seamlessly, adding a slightly salty note. As I sipped on my mocktail, I focused on the present moment, letting go of the day's stresses. The ritual itself, a moment of intentional self-care, felt calming. I climbed into bed, feeling relaxed and optimistic. Did I sleep like a baby? While I wouldn't say it was a miracle cure, I did notice a difference. I fell asleep easier than usual, and my sleep felt deeper and more restorative. Section 8. The verdict: hype or help? So is the Sleepy Girl mocktail all hype, or does it live up to its sleep-promoting claims? Based on my experience and the available research, I believe it's a valuable tool in the quest for better sleep. The combination of melatonin-rich tart cherry juice, muscle-relaxing magnesium, and gut-healthy prebiotic soda creates a synergistic effect that promotes relaxation and sleep. However, it's essential to remember that no single drink is a magic bullet. The Sleepy Girl mocktail is most effective when combined with other healthy sleep habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. Section 9. Crafting your sleep sanctuary. The Sleepy Girl mocktail is a delicious and accessible starting point for those seeking better sleep, but true sleep transformation requires a holistic approach. Think of your bedroom as a sleep sanctuary, a haven dedicated to rest and rejuvenation. Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music. Make your bedroom a sleep-conducive environment by ensuring it's dark, quiet, and cool. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By prioritizing sleep and adopting healthy habits, you can unlock a world of benefits, from improved mood and cognitive function to enhanced physical health and overall well-being. So raise a glass to better sleep and embrace the transformative power of rest.